Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Creative Zen Hybrid 2 with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top and now go to settings. After that press and hold power button to turn on your headphones. And it should enter to prank mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. And now we should click connect here. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!